It's Saturday morning and what we have for you are the most brilliant, beautiful collections of silk. अब हमने शुरू किया है हमारे silk fabrics आपको दिखाने के लिए. So you are going to see today 3 videos with lots of options for you in colors, in designs, in weaves. It's going to be really pretty. अब आप silk को कैसे पहन सकते हैं? Well, that's a very very big question because you can wear it in absolutely any way that you want. Now look at this. This is a jal fabric. You can do an anarkali with it. You can do a lehenga with it. सभी बहुत सुंदर लगेंगे. You can check out the prices of each one of these pieces separately. But to say आज के वीडियो में जो हमारे silks हैं, they start at 3,800 per meter and it's a really really good variety for you to bring on. Now look at that. This is a tissue silk fabric. I think it looks incredible if you kind of match it with a georgette dupatta. इन सभी के साथ हम आपको बहुत सारे डाइवर जो हमारे सिल्क ऑप्शंस हैं सिल्क या जॉर्जेट वो बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे क्योंकि हमारी जो अभी थीम है एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अ लॉट अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई थिंक इट वाज सच अ गुड क्वेश्चन रेज्ड बाय वन ऑफ यू आई थिंक इन द लाइव्स or post the lives and I thought that yes, we know all of that, but why not share all of that information with you so that your dressing is easy and it's also perfect. Fabrics बहुत तरह के होते हैं उनके textures, sheen, how they are kind of they flow is very very different. What we need to do when we are dressing up is we need to find fabrics and combinations that will work. I've already done a story on it. Also on our chats, we're kind of sending you the fabrics that work perfectly. In fact, indeed, yesterday I had done it with Chinia silk to show you it with georgette and silk dupattas and today I'm showing you lots of katan. अब इसके साथ of course आप दो चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगेंगी which is katan silk dupattas itself. कतान सिल्क दुपट्टे में दो टाइप के आते हैं. वन इज़ द जाल वंस विच देन यू कैन सी. अब ये अगर जाल डिज़ाइन है आई वुड से यू गो फॉर अ स्मॉल बूटा अनलेस यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ वेरी स्टनिंग हैवी लुक. तब आप जाल पे जाल इन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर्स एंड डिज़ाइंस or in contrast can be worn. But something like this, if you're planning a really nice anarkali, all you really need is a nice light georgette dupatta in one of our dyeable boota fabrics and then you can wear it. Something like this जिसके बूटे छोटे हैं. Now this is made in Karwa. अगर आप ये पहनते हैं इसके साथ आप एक heavy जाल का दुपट्टा बहुत सुंदर लगेगा in silk or in georgette and of course this is a satin finish so you can also kind of explore a few other options with it in design क्योंकि छोटे बूटे में always बूटा छोटा छोटा very good, jal also very good, but something like this again as I said very good for embroidery. Look at the beautiful color, very very good for embroidery. They're good fabrics जिन पे आप neck detailing कर सकते हैं. You can make sharara, garara, suits, cords, all of that very good. Look at the two-tone. But if you choose a dupatta, I would prefer that you go for a smaller, slightly fine detailed pieces to work with it. Now look at that. That's a stripe. Wear a plain silk kurta, wear this on the top, many which ways wearing these ones. My idea is that and especially that if you haven't tried Neve, try one piece, try one diameter ka kurta and that's all that you will need from us to kind of really really be sure of what you're getting with Neve. Now look at that. Here it is, this beautiful yellow piece for you as the last one.